Okay guys, today I've got a Maytag matching washer and dryer set for sale. Both are in excellent condition, cleaned inside and out. 28-point inspection on the washer, 22-point inspection on the dryer. They both work great. The only one little thing I'll mention on this washer here, full transparency, is unlike other washers, this is going full blast, full spin. When you lift this lid up, instead of taking its time, slowing down like almost every other washer does, this actually has a braking system, hits the brakes, and this stops immediately. Over time, that can make a noise, a little bit of a brake screech. Doesn't affect the usage at all, and it'll continue to work for 20 years. But sometimes they make a little bit of noise. This one has that. So you'll get to hear that here in a second, but it does not affect the usage of it whatsoever, and in the long run it also makes no difference whatsoever. I've got the dryer running, so I'm going to show you that it is heating. I don't know if you can hear the dryer running, it's nice and quiet, but on this washer, as if you were standing here testing it out yourself, I've got it hooked up so you can see that it works. Pulling the water in like it's supposed to. And if we switch it over here to spin cycle, I'm gonna let it get up to full speed, spinning the water out now, so you know the drain works, water coming in works, clothes will get all washed, everything, and then the water shoots out like it's supposed to. And this washer and dryer also, I'll mention, has a huge capacity on it. Oversized capacity plus is what they call it, and it makes king size capacity look small in some of the other ones. That's why they put that braking system in there. But I'm going to lift this up here and show you that it is spinning very fast, and you'll hear it brake and see that it stops immediately, which is a great safety feature. See, it comes to a complete stop and it's spinning nice and fast. Then it kicks right back up to speed. You know the lid switch works. So that's the washer. Works great. I put a few loads through it and does an excellent job, and you can put a lot of clothes in there. Of course you don't want to overload it, but the load that I normally run, I consider it to be a pretty large load, and it looks small in there. So on the dryer here, I've got it going regular temperature, just over here on time dry, and I'm going to show you that it's heating like it's supposed to. This little red dot, whatever that shines on, it gives you the surface temperature. So I'm going to open this up. I'll point this right in here at the heating element tube. You can see plenty of heat coming in there. Take a picture of that. So the inside of your dryer, it's going to get anywhere from 110 to 195, just depends on what kind of load you have in here and what you have your setting at up top there. Plenty of heat coming in there. You can see the light works. Hit start there. Sounds good. And both these units running side by side now. Spin cycle on one and drying on the other. Nice, stable, no weird noises or anything like that. So there you have it. Now you know they work great. You get them home, plug them in, everything's going to work like it's supposed to. If you have any questions, please reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thanks.